Tata is a stronghold Indian brand name that is automatically associated with trust and best quality. Tata Capital, a subsidiary under the umbrella of Tata Group, is a 17-year-old NBFC providing financial and investment-related services. To enhance our customer experience, we at GyanDhan have partnered up with Tata Capital as one of our lending partners. Hello everyone, I am Aman Jain, one of the founding members here at GyanDhan. In this video, we will explore the loan options provided by Tata Capital for Indian students who want to study abroad. We will cover everything including loan amount, interest rate, eligibility process and much more. So sit back and grab a notebook because this might be your sign to start your abroad education loan journey. Before I start explaining the loan options provided by Tata Capital, there are a few things you should be aware of. Firstly, Tata Capital only provides education loans for management and STEM courses. Second, there are no specific secured loan options available with Tata Capital as of right now. If you need a secured loan, you should consider public banks via GyanDhan. Third, Tata Capital may provide education loans for undergraduate programs abroad, but the loan amount can be maximum up to 50 lakhs and this loan will require immediate EMI repayment only for undergrad. Lastly, to explain the unsecured loan offering for master's program, we have divided them into two categories: education loan for US universities and education loan for non-US universities. So you might skip to the part which is more relevant to you. Let's begin with the first category, which is for those whose target is a US university. Tata Capital has developed two lists of universities named the Platinum or Tier 1 list and the Gold or Tier 2 list. This list includes universities from every country. If you are targeting a US university and it is on the Platinum list, the maximum amount you can get is up to 75 lakh rupees with an interest rate ranging from 11.5 to 12.25%. For the Gold list, the maximum loan amount is throttled down to 55 lakh with an interest rate ranging between 12.5% to 12.75%. The repayment tenure for these loans is 13 years. A financial co-applicant can be any blood relative with a minimum income of 25,000 or more will be required. The processing fee is 1% plus GST and there is an insurance associated with this loan which will cost you about 2% of the loan amount and may be adjusted with the loan amount itself, so you don't need to pay anything upfront. Additionally, for those with the credit score, a credit score of 700 and more is generally preferred. Now, coming to the non-US universities. If your targeted university is on the Platinum list, the maximum loan amount will be up to 40 lakh rupees, while for the Gold category, it will be up to 30 lakh rupees. The interest rate will be between 12.25 to 12.5% for the Platinum list and between 12.5% to 12.75% for the Gold list. The rest of the conditions such as loan tenure, minimum income of the financial co-applicant and the credit score requirement remains the same as those were for the US universities that we just discussed above. Now, let me share a few interesting facts that can help you get better loan terms from Tata Capital. Firstly, for GRE score above 350 or GMAT above 650, loans are provided based on the Platinum category only, regardless of the university list. Secondly, for the GRE score between 300 to 350 or GMAT score between 600 to 650, loans are offered based on Gold category criteria, so regardless of the university list. Thus, by focusing well on your GRE or GMAT, you are not only increasing your chances of getting into a good university, but also helping yourself secure favorable loan terms. And this is common across all the other lenders as well. Now, coming to the other eligibility criteria, the applicant must be at least 18-year-old, have secured admission to a recognized university and meet minimum academic standards. A consistent academic record is required along with the potential prerequisite tests like GRE, IELTS or TOEFL, especially important for obtaining a loan in the USA. A co-applicant with a regular source of income and a good credit history, such as a family member or a legal guardian, is mandatory. To initiate your loan application with Tata Capital, you will need to submit several documents. For the applicant, this includes identity proof, the education loan application form, address proof, passport, past academic records, entrance exam results, standard test results, English proficiency test results, proof of admission, and a statement of expenses such as the I-20 of the USA. Since a co-applicant is involved in this loan, you will also need to submit several documents for the co-applicant. This include identity proofs, address proof, passport size photographs, their bank account statement for the last 6 months, and income proof for salaried individuals, including salary slips for the last 3 months and a copy of Form 16 for the last 2 years. From self-employed applicant, we will require business address proof, the last 2 years of income tax return, a TDS certificate, a certificate of qualification, and a brief statement of asset and liabilities. The process of starting a loan application with Tata Capital is quite simple. Begin by visiting the GyanDhan website or using the loan eligibility form mentioned in the description box below to determine if you meet the criteria for a Tata Capital education. After this, one of the GyanDhan's education loan counselor will reach you out and guide you through the education loan process, providing a tailored document checklist as per your profile. You need to collect and submit all the required documents from checklist, including academic and financial documents, ensuring they are accurate and meet Tata Capital's requirement. Tata Capital will verify your application involving credit check, admission details, financials, and other relevant information. Once everything is done from Tata Capital's end, you will receive a loan approval notification with the approved amount on which you can sign your agreement. If satisfied, to finalize the process and get the required loan amount disbursed. Finally, how can GyanDhan help you to get an education loan from Tata Capital? We have been working with Tata Capital and building strong relationships with them. When we handle your application, we use this partnership to ensure you have the best experience possible. We negotiate your loan terms, gather and submit documents using our checklist, and simplify the process, completing it within 5 to 7 days compared to the 10 to 15 days when you go directly to any lender. With a track record of providing education loan of over 8,000 crore in education loan, assisting more than 25,000 students, our experience in the industry help us foresee and address potential issue that could affect your loan application negatively. This ultimately improves your chances of getting loan approval. So that's it for this video. I hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with other study abroad aspirants. Comment down any additional question you have. We will answer those and try to cover them in our upcoming videos.